guys, happy Vlogmas Day. I don't even fucking know. I hope you guys are gonna have an awesome day today. It is Friday, which means David's works Christmas parties tonight. So my onesie's all messed up. I slept in my footy onesie.
This one you see my little feet.
So I was very hot last night, but also very warm. You guys know I have drafts in my apartment and it drives me fucking crazy, and I haven't had a chance to fix it or do anything. Half haven't had a chance, half lazy. And my mom's also bringing me to work today, which I do appreciate because I did not feel like fucking going in early. Officially a week till I'm on my break and Christmas and everything. I'm a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to mention it because every time I feel like I do, I just get, but I am a little depressed. I don't want to say that because I don't want to trigger anybody, but I do feel a little bit because of everything that's happened within the last 3 weeks, and I know that time is coming again for me, so that really sucks. Definitely a negative of that, which always happens. I always get really depressed around that time of the month. I want to show you guys what I'm wearing tonight. So the thing is, got off of work, wow, I can't talk, work till 6, and I tried to take off or get out early today, like put in for it. It was X'd out on our work calendar, which means if the day is X'd out, you can't take it off, you can't get out early, can't do anything. I'm gonna work till 6. David's work's Christmas party starts at 6:30. Big inconvenience, and thinks it's like this huge deal, like, oh, you got out 15 minutes early on a Friday. Big fucking whoop. But my outfit on my broken hanger, which I didn't even notice this was broken until just now. I'm gonna wear a little bodysuit. I have a little black pencil skirt, and I'm gonna wear this white sweater over it, possibly. Hopefully I don't look too crazy. So I guess I should just put this on the bed, huh? And it's jean day today, so I'm gonna wear jeans. And then I'm also probably gonna make a huge mistake. I want to wear my huge thigh-high boots, which I wore on my birthday, and my feet were on fire for like 3 days after. Or I could wear little heels to show my feet off that will equally hurt, or I could wear my pumps, or I could just wear pink pointy shoes. I don't even know what the heck they're called. Stilettos. They're properly called stilettos because the toe is pointy. Can't wear wedges. So I think my options are pretty limited. I always wear the pumps every single year, so I just kind of wanted to wear something different. So I might try the boots out again and bring extra shoes with me to literally I will change into. I do not care. Or I could wear the pumps. That'd be a nice change. I actually have not worn them out yet. Fun fact. These up here, I bought them at DSW quite a long time ago, and I never wore them. They're really pretty. I just haven't had a chance to wear them, so I might wear those if I feel a little daring. I don't know. I feel like I should just stick with black though, because I've complained so many times already that I'm feeling insecure about myself, so we might just stick with black. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out before I leave today. I'm gonna pick out my outfit for work. Bedroom, well, this is David and I's bedroom. It's a mess. This is our clothes pile, also a mess. Well, actually, there's one dirty clothes pile, and then the clothes in the other 2 baskets are completely clean. Just have not put them away, because that's the life I choose to live. And I gotta gather all of David's clothes because my mom is awesome. She does our laundry for us, which I don't want her to do, but she's just like, just drop it off and I'll fucking do it. I'm like, okay. Fridays we wear jeans to work, fun fact. Yeah, so basically I'm just a little depressed right now. I don't want to like put so much negativity out into the world, but I'm just not really happy with this last few weeks mainly, and I'm very frustrated because I have to do some shit which requires calling people excuse me, which I don't do very well with. Not to mention that I'm sick, even more sick. So I'm thinking of conjuring up a plan to like get out of work early and be like, can you get me out? I feel like I'm gonna die right now. Which I never asked to go home early. Like, I'm one of those people that like, I will work my ass off all day and all night. I'm a very reliable worker, I feel like. Your girl ain't fucking feeling it, let me tell you. And my vlog from last night got demonetized because I mentioned, so you can go figure out what I mentioned that demonetized me if you would like. I really could give a rat's ass at this point. Not like I make anything. Oh, burn. But, oh, my ear's ringing. That's fun. My ears ring a lot. I have a lot of things probably wrong with me. I probably am dying. It's totally fine at this point. I've accepted that I can't have everything I want in my life because everything goes to shit. Which is what I've been dreading. This is what I've been dreading since we got married, moved into our place, everything was going well. I'm waiting for the downfall. Every fucking time. And I have so much anxiety waiting for it. And it drives me fucking crazy. And I know I really shouldn't be thinking that way, because I know a lot of you guys are probably like, well, why are you even thinking like that? Because it happens every time. But then again, Lara has mentioned multiple times, it's life. She's like, you know what? It's life. and that's what you have to deal with. And I'm just like, no, I shouldn't have to fucking deal with this, because life shouldn't be about misery and woe and upsetting and making me cry all the time. So it's only 7:30. Clara won't be here for like an hour. I think I pretty much have my outfit picked out. Did I put out underwear? I gotta take some cough drops with me. I've been too busy addressing all my Christmas cards that hopefully will be going out this weekend. So I have got like 18 of them that have to go out. So we're gonna make our way downtown, Faces Pass. I don't remember how the words go. I say it at work all the time when the kids are getting into stuff, and I'm like, I'm such an asshole. I make so many like mean like redirection comments to the kids. Like when they're all being crazy and fighting with each other. I'm like, what is this, a cabaret? Like, what do you think you're doing right now? Or sometimes when they're moving I'm sorry, it's dark right now. Or sometimes when they're moving the chairs around, I'm like, why do you think you can do things? Or sometimes I'm just like making your way downtown, walking fast, Faces Pass. You are not homebound right now. Get out of there. I'm such an ass. My co-teacher gets a good laugh out of it though. Oh my God. It's Friday. I was secretly hoping one of my kids wasn't gonna be here today because they got picked up early yesterday. I'm still slightly hoping for that. So I'm gonna do my hair and do my makeup, and here's to Friday. Christmas party tonight. Woo. I don't really want to go. I just want to be home, but then again, that's a lot of depression. Like, you just don't want to do anything. So getting out of the house will be good for me, but I don't want to. And last night I bought a ton of junk food while I was out with David and when we went to the grocery store because I just was over it. Hi guys. So I'm on my break very late today and I'm fucking pissed off about it. I'm fucking pissed off that my music in my room was changed and that half my kids are going to be awake when I go back, or probably all of them, and that I didn't get time to do my pictures yet. So I have to do that while they're all running around like crazy animals, and I'm pissed off. I got some health stuff straightened out that I needed to and I was very anxious about last couple days, and now I am just here sitting in the room waiting for my break to be over so I can go back to chaos. So fucking great. And not to mention, I did my hair this morning where it all fell out. I'm irritated. I'm done. David's like, we're gonna have fun tonight, baby. It's okay. It's like, no, you don't understand. I'm done. I'm like, I'm so pissed off. I do not want to go tonight. I don't want to do anything. I just want to be at home in my bed, away from all these fucking stupid people. I'm over it. And I wanted this done. And I just realized this is like this for the holiday party. One more week, guys. One more fucking week of this bullshit. I'm getting real tired of them pulling my co-teacher out. Real tired of it. Hello guys, so it is like 10 o'clock at night now. We're coming back from David's work's holiday party, and yeah, I didn't really vlog anything while we were there, but let's just face it, I'm a horrible fucking vlogger for Vlogmas this year. Everything this week has just gone to shit. I'm trying my best to be, but yeah, so we're on our way home right now. I got a package from my uncle, my aunt, so we're gonna open that and we're gonna snuggle with Bubba, and tomorrow we have a Secret Santa, and I'm definitely gonna vlog that because I did not vlog anything tonight, so I'm sorry about that, but yeah, so woo. Hey guys, so I got a couple things in the mail today from my family in North Carolina. I'm sorry about this lighting, by the way. We just came home from the Christmas party, and this is from my uncle and my aunt for David and I, and I'm very nervous about it, and they paid $11 to ship this to us, so thank you. We do appreciate it. Bubba is in the bathroom brushing his face. I just said you're in the bathroom brushing your face. Partially accurate. Anyway, we're going to open this, and I hope that it's not fragile because I'm just like putting it everywhere. This is how Sam unbox things. If you guys watch my channel for a long time, you know that I don't use scissors because I'm like, we used a tack in another video, guys. A tack. We are back with some scissors. I have a piece of pretzel stuck in my throat. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, this is like very tightly packaged, and I'm opening it over here because I don't want to show any. That may have solved the problem. All right, I don't know how to do things. Oh, there's a, oh, is this a letter? Shit, I definitely don't want to puncture that, whatever that is. someone tries to cut a box in. And by the way, I'm not drunk. Okay, I'm on antibiotics for an ear infection, so I was not allowed to drink. All right, we're making the, oh, it's a cute box. I don't know why, my first thought was that this was my dad's remains. I don't know why. Sorry, my sick mind. There, inside of a box is another box. Look, Bubba, is a box. Inside the box, everything is wrapped up nicely. Thank you. Oh, stop! It's little presents for us. Samantha and David. Wait, is this just a piece of paper that I could have cut through this whole time? You don't need to say it. You don't need to say it. It's fine. Right, we got a cute little card, which is probably gonna make me cry because everything makes me cry. Wishing you the warmest Christmas wishes. Stop. Oh, thank you guys. Baby. Look what they sent us. Thank you. Oh my gosh, stop. Oh, that's so cute. They sent like a little ornament with initial for my S, the initial for my S, the initial of my name. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you. Technically, we shouldn't even open this right now, but Christmas. I'm guessing these are for me. Socks, yes. Yes, I need them so badly because it's so cold in my house. Thank you. Oh, Lauren Conrad. Oh my goodness, what in the world? Candy. Do you like marshmallow candy, Buffalo? We got candy. No. Oh, then these are mine. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, it's an ornament. I guess you could just have it standing. Look what else, Bubba. It's so cute. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's a candle, yay. Oh my gosh, that just makes me so happy. The little holiday cookie candle, Bubba, to add to my collection. Thank you, we do appreciate it. David's just really tired because it's been a long night. And we got, oh honey, look, some dish towels. So cute, thank you so much. Thank you guys, thank you guys again. I really do appreciate it, and so does David. He's just very tired, as always. That's the life. Oh my gosh, now we gotta get them something, but I don't know what to get them. I don't know either, but. Okay, and then the other thing came from my cousin Priscilla. I'm guessing this is her annual Christmas card because I got it last year. Oh, it's the babies. I'm not gonna show on camera, obviously, because, you know, kids, you guys already know how I feel about that. It's so cute. Oh, I had that sass, I swear. Oh, it's so cute. Thank you for the Christmas card. Oh, and you got pictures with Santa. That's so cute. Stop. Oh, stop. Why is this gonna make me feel I'm gonna cry? We're not gonna do it. Not happening in this vlog. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Thank you for the pictures and for the Christmas card, Priscilla. I do appreciate it. So, oh, it says in the back, I can't say one of your kids' names. I'm very sorry. And if I will say it, I'm going to probably butcher it. So I'm going to have to practice on my off time. I'm just warning as of right now. I'm sorry. That is basically everything that my family, my cousins, my aunt and my uncle sent David and I, and they're getting Christmas cards, so those will be sent out hopefully soon. I'm going to snuggle with David now and eat some Cheetos Puffs, which I'm very obsessed with right now, and some chocolate covered pretzels, which I'm also obsessed with, but I think because I'm getting that's partially why. And I'm sorry I didn't vlog anything at the Christmas party or vlog barely anything today. I have just been all over the place. I've kept repeating it multiple times, so I do apologize for that. It's just been a rough week and really hard for me I've been very down. So this made me happy. Thank you guys. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. Who the fuck knows? Love you guys.